Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you very much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a quick look at Gala, and this is actually going to be a pretty darn quick look. Not much to really update from yesterday because ultimately it's about the same. I did want to bring to your attention that Bitcoin is being a bit on the naughty side here recently. It's kind of no surprise, right? It's just basically it's trying to jump up and down 3 to 4% at a time. And it's really messing with a lot of these altcoins right now where they're trying to take off and they keep getting stunned out because there's still a lot of fear in the market, right? But here's some peace of mind. We have the 50-day 7 moving average working as a nice support level that could and should effectively slowly push the price action up. Once that intersects with a 200, which could very well be right here at the point in which the price hits 60,000, should push the price higher based on the fact that that is effectively a golden cross. Therefore, I think we're in pretty good shape and we should see within the next week that happen. I know it's kind of impatient. Do you want to be, it's hard to want to be patient for that, right? But it's important that you know this just based on the fact that I think that's going to help bring the price up, right? Most of the time when the 50 intersects with the 200 in an upward fashion, specifically on the 4-hour chart, you can see that type of anomaly occur. It's very similar to a MACD convergence where the 12 intersects with a 26 in upward fashion on the 4-hour as well. And I don't believe we have that happening because, again, a lot of this kerfuffle right here is just basically confusing the heck out of the price action and a lot of indicators. But key takeaway here is the price is above 50 and under 70 on the RSI. So these are all good signs for Bitcoin. The reason why I think that's relevant is if we take a look here at Gala, it's super important to note that we are also just above the 4-hour 50-day 7 moving average, right? This is extremely important. This could help push the price action up. Gala tried to push up a moment ago, got stunned out because Bitcoin sold off by 3.5%. So right now, Gala, even as far as Sandbox, they're all effectively responding to Bitcoin's price action right now. A lot of the coins have been fairly dependent on that, minus a couple of anomalies. So try not to get discouraged when you see that. Okay, I just wanted to bring that to your attention, let you know we got some good things going here. This 50-day 7 moving average should work as a support level, pushing the price action up. Let's take a quick look at the 1-day chart, kind of see where we're at. The moving averages are far behind, but we don't need to worry about that. But the key takeaway here is that 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 days in a row, the support level of 62 cents is holding for Gala. I think that's important to note because that definitely helps a lot. We also have a potential breakout that could occur. Again, this is just kind of throwing numbers on the board, right? There's no certainty in this, but the fact that it's kind of working itself into a wedge here could imply that we might see the price action head upwards. I think that's very likely to see that in the near future. Okay, so all good things there. Let's see where we're at in the 1-hour chart. We're still below the clouds, so again, no need to essentially celebrate. We're still not not at the doghouse yet, but there's a lot of positive, I feel personally, from Bitcoin that should translate to Gala soon. Okay, so I'm still bullish on Gala. We have an open position as a community. I'm not worried about it. I think we're going to be fine. Worst case scenario, we just dollar cost average and continue to add to our position as the price goes down further. I don't foresee Gala taking a nosedive in the near future. I am confident in saying that we should see $1 within the next couple of months. Maybe not year end, but definitely very soon. Okay. I have an alert here set too, just in case, because we have a stop loss in place in the 50-cent range, and I want to make sure we pay attention to that so that triggers for me. Then we'll make sure to take another look and ensure that we're on the right track. So ultimately, all good things here from Gala. Yes, I know it's not super bullish. It's trying, but it's also getting it's getting rejected by this Bitcoin misbehavior. And that's just kind of the state of the nation here for the moment until Bitcoin can pull its head successfully out of its ass. All right, so I hope you had a good learning experience here, obviously. If so, like and subscribe. Consider joining my Patreon community. We do have limited slots available. Feel free to message me. I can possibly open one up for you. I actually have a wait list right now, so we'll get that figured out eventually soon. Thanks again for your patience. Appreciate your time. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.